Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out the Sunflow Beach Chair, so let's dive in.
So to get us started, I want to show you a couple of these features that this chair offers. You can see up top you have your own canopy shelter right here. This is a really cool option. I know a lot of people really like this because that way you don't actually have to always have some type of canopy with you. You can use that. You also have a pillow right here. It comes with an extra little pillow if you would like that. There's even this compartment where you can put sunglasses or any kind of thing in this hard case. And then you also have three little places where you can put that whichever one you want. You have a little locking mechanism. I'll show you that at the end. On the other side, I want to show you it does have a drink holder. And the cool thing about this drink holder is it actually can go larger if you would like to, or it can lock in place, or you can press the button and it actually will open up. And that way you can move it around. This is a really cool device. Because I know multiple times we'll bring a drink and it doesn't fit the drink holder, so this is great because it will fit in there. Then you even have a little pouch. You can put your stuff in this pouch right here. Again, same thing on the other side, has three little options that it actually will hook onto. And it is extremely comfortable. I really like how nice it is and how comfortable it is to sit in there. And it has multiple sitting adjustments, as you can see right here. Just like any chair, you just pull it forward and it'll sit back. And then you will be able to just sit and relax. So it is a nice beach chair, has a bunch of different functions with that right there. Super comfortable and very easy to use. And like I showed you, has those little hooks on the side, so you can actually move these extras around wherever you would like to. And if you don't want the top on there, maybe you want to get as much sun as you want to, you just take this top, fold it back down, and you don't even have to use it for right now. It is just a regular beach chair, so that is extremely nice and very helpful. Here are a few close-ups of those items. This is the bag I was showing you. It has a nice little zipper so you can put different stuff in here, whatever that might be. You want to keep it out of the sand. Great little addition for that one. And then, like I mentioned, here is the cup holder. You can adjust this however you would like to. So if you want to have it up there tight, and then you can see it has a little bottom, super easy to use. And then it has an adjustable strap right here. So if you have a large Yeti, you can put in there. Or if you have a small little drink, you can make it tight and it fits as well. And then here's another compartment where you can put sunglasses or other options like that, whatever you might want to put in there. And then, like I said, you can put that in different spots. Like I mentioned earlier, it's very comfortable and it has a lot of features on there that I really like. A couple things that I am a little worried about. I do think some of those items might be tough when you travel, or might be, could fall off, such as the cup holder or different things like that. I do think they are sturdy and heavy duty, but it could be a problem while folding it up or actually storing it in different places is just an issue I could see with this. I don't know about longevity. I haven't used this for a long time, but for the short time I've used it, it did work really well and it was extremely comfortable. Another feature I really like about this chair is once you are done and you fold this up, it actually turns into a backpack. Have a couple of chairs like this and they are game changers when you are the cabana boy and have to carry everything to the beach. This way you can carry one of these chairs at least on your back. So this one is really nice because you have the straps right here. Once you've closed everything in, you can just put all the different legs in there, and then you're going to put this on your back. So works out really well and is not super heavy, which is nice as well, but fits on your back pretty well. And again, I think it's something great you can carry. You can also carry this with one hand as well, just like a regular chair. It does have the strap on the top, so you can grab that as well. So it's a really cool feature, whichever one is more comfortable for you. I really like the locking mechanism it has on the side here. You can see right there with the yellow strap, it's going to lock into an extra little clip. This way you know once you got it all done that it's not going to open up and spill your contents or whatever anywhere. So you have this little lock right there, so it's super nice. And that's very convenient, something I haven't seen on many chairs I've used. So overall, I think this is a great chair. I really like all the little attachments with the little sunshade, also the pillow, and you have your different sides and attachments as well. It sits really well, super comfortable, not very heavy. I think it's going to be one of our go-to chairs. The little extra attachments are my only hesitation, and those can easily come off and you can carry stuff, and it's not a game changer. But those are just the only negatives that I see for this chair currently. If you're interested, I will have a link down below. You can check it out down there. You can also check out some of my other beach chair videos right here, and I will see you in the next video.